Jeep Wrangler interior lights can stay on due to a few common reasons. First, ensure the dome light switch, typically near the rearview mirror or on the dash, is set to the off position, not door or on. Next, check that all doors are firmly closed. Even a slightly ajar door can trigger the lights. Inspect the door jamb switches for obstructions like mud or debris, especially if you frequently off-road. Faulty door jamb switches can also cause this issue. In newer 2080 Plus models, software glitches can sometimes be the culprit. Try resetting the interior lighting via the Uconnect system under Settings, Lights. If problems persist, a fuse pull, refer to your owner's manual for the interior light fuse location, may help reset the system. Alternatively, if problems persist, a battery disconnect, negative terminal for 30 seconds, may help reset the system. Remember that Wranglers are known to have a higher than average battery failure rate, and interior lights are a frequent contributor. First, double-check that the dome light switch is in the off position to ensure it isn't set to stay on. Next, ensure all doors and the rear gate are completely closed, as even slightly ajar doors can keep the lights on. Third, clean any dirt or obstructions from the door jamb switches, which detect if doors are open. Fourth, as a temporary solution, locate and remove the interior light fuse from the fuse box. Check your owner's manual for the exact location. Fifth, for 2018 and newer models, use the Uconnect system to reset interior lighting settings through the menu. Sixth, if nothing else works, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 30 seconds, then reconnect it to reset the system. If the issue persists, consider a professional inspection for BCM or wiring problems, especially in older Wranglers. Also, upgrade to LED bulbs for lower power consumption.